Control how you receive information about activity feed happenings by customizing your notification preferences. This tutorial shows how to customize your email and SMS notifications for activity feed. To begin, click your Personal menu and select Notifications. Note: to enable notifications, you must set up and verify an email address or mobile number. Navigate to Instant Notifications. Select the preferred method of contact you want to receive for each notification. When you are ready, click Save. In addition to SMS and email notifications, you will automatically receive minibar update alerts when a new post or comment is made. Control how you receive information about activity feed happenings by customizing your notification preferences.